tech tip brought to us by Capri Tools. Capri Tools, hey, well today we're talking about you're in the middle of a weekend, you're having to thrash into the night to get the car repaired. You're probably using your Capri Tools, right, to repair the car. But in the middle of the thrash, that's when things happen where you are trying to replace maybe say a drive shaft, and when you're tearing it all apart, you actually break more things or lose more things in the mucky mud than if you were just trying to take your time. But that's not always the case when you're trying to just get things done quickly at a race. So we're going to talk today about some tips I can give you to prepare for that ahead of time. All right, so we're over here with our spare parts Porsche Boxer. I thought this would be a great one to use as an example. So we're preparing for let's say a thrash, right? We're in the middle of a weekend, it's Saturday night, and the drive shaft broke. We've got to fix it. Well, here we are trying to disconnect everything, and this is what's going to happen. We're going to let everything hang in, we're going to stretch out our brake lines, everything's going to get destroyed while we're just trying to fix something like the drive shaft. Something else is going to get messed up. So here's just a couple things I've seen people do that we do as a team as well. Get yourself a jack stand, pull this up, right, and just put the jack stand underneath it. And I didn't do this before we did the video, so it's going to look a little clumsy, but that's kind of what you're trying to do here. You're trying to get it up there, get it up, get it propped up. Okay? The other thing you can do, there we go. See there, at least I've propped it up. I've taken the tension off. The other thing, let's say I've taken the caliper off of the rotor. If I'm in that kind of situation, I need to wire it up. Just get yourself one of some of your long wire ties and just wire them up somehow up here, maybe tying it up to the top of the shock tower, something to get all the pressure off of the lines. Wire ties are good for that. Also, just if you have some balls of wire like this is good too, especially in areas where you're not going to have a wire tie that's long enough. But again, you're taking everything apart. Some other things I've seen people do that's dangerous is, again, let's pretend we're out in the grass and the mud. All those tools are going to be getting muddy, but also the nuts and bolts are going to be falling on the ground. You know, your wife probably has some old pans. Get yourself some old pans, throw them in the trailer so you have them. So when you're taking things apart, you can have it out there. Throw the big pieces right on there if you're taking them off. And these are kind of neat. We found these a little bit ago. It's a company called Bolster. But it's nice because you can put your bolts right in there. Again, keeps you from losing them. Because the last thing you need to do is thrash to take something apart, and then you're spending the rest of the day going, oh, where did that thing go? Where did that one little bolt go? And next thing you know, you're digging up over here, and there it is, sitting right over on the ground where you didn't even know it rolled away. So again, have a pan, drop it in there, and away you go.